Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I need to put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. Next, we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only y in here. First, the derivative of y, you got about number 1, so we have number 2. This one, we don't have y. So if we do first the derivative, you got about 0. Now, we have dy, so we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So we just have only s in here. So if we do first the derivative of s, you got about number 1, so we have number 2. Because this one is equals to this one by number 2, so we can use about exact. Now, I need to set up about the function f(x,y), and we have the integration. I will choose about this one plus 3xy. Now, the integration of s, we have s squared over 2. The integration of 2ys, we have 2xy. 2y, you got about 2xy. The integration of number 3, we have negative 3x, and we have 3xy. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we don't have y, so you got about 0. This one we have y, so first the derivative of y, you got about number 1, so we have 2x. This one we don't have y, you got about 0. And we know that this one is equals to this one. Now we need to simplify 2x for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Because we have negative, negative, so I will put negative going here. Now, the integration of y, we have y squared over 2. Number 1, that's about y, and we put about c. Now, I need to go back in here. We know that the integration of this one, you got about 3xy. And 3xy equals to this one. So I will put this one going here. And we know that everything in here equals to fxy. And fxy equal to c. Now we just simplify like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.